Bauman Manufacturing is out of Elmira, Ontario. We've been in business for about 52 years. We have been manufacturing this drop spreader line for the last 20. But the drop spreader line, which we have been building these for the last 20 years, they're all powder coated mild steel. It's all welded in Canada. These pieces of equipment are designed for sidewalks and narrow pathways. The real idea of them is to preserve material and prevent any overspread, which is going to eliminate more property damage and that sort of thing. These machines really allow you to control the amount of material that falls through the hopper to the ground. One of the biggest things that sets Bauman's apart is that we are really driven by solutions. We have 9 different models that range in drive, that range in capacity. Our smallest capacity is 2 cubic feet on the 220. From there we get to the towable model that can go on the back of an ATV. I think the longevity is probably one of the biggest differences that we offer. These are very heavily well-built machines, all mild steel constructed, and they're reinforced as much as we possibly can.